Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is Avail a scam? No, Avail Car Share is not a scam. You can actually find their information if you simply go online. You can find that they filed their company papers online. They filed, so you can find this information. Companies that are legitimate typically file through the states, and they file through the states. They're also owned by Allstate Insurance, the company. They're definitely legitimate, and they're very transparent, and they also pay you in a transparent, consistent manner called guaranteed earnings. Pretty cool, but that's my personal opinion. I'm just your friend on YouTube. Do your own due diligence, but that's from my experience. They're definitely legitimate. They're owned by Allstate, the insurance company, and they filed their formal papers through the state, so they're completely active. You have to be very wary when companies don't file their proper papers, and you look them up through the Secretary of State, and you see that they're like inactive or whatever, or their status has been suspended. They're complete active. They follow their former papers. They file their taxes. Legitimate company. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Calling out.